Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a powerful serious note video. Serious note means on a serious topic in which we are going to cast or we are going to teach a lesson to our enemy so that your enemy can never ever even imagine to harm you, can never ever do something negative on you, and whatever wrong or whatever wrongs he or she has done to you, that will go back to your enemy. He is going to suffer like hell. His life will be completely hell and will be completely finished. Every moment he or she is going to die. Every moment he or she is going to face a lot of problems. And one more thing, whatever you want from your enemy to do it, your enemy will be able to do it. Means he will be on his or her feet and will be apologizing you, will be ready to accept all your terms and conditions, will be ready to accept each and everything whatever you are going to tell to your enemy. Now my dear brothers and sisters, before starting this powerful spell, I would request all my viewers that please don't ever try this spell on an innocent person. Try this spell only on a person who has hurt you a lot, who has created a lot of problems, or who have been creating lot of problems, obstacles, hindrances, or have been trying to blackmail you. On these conditions you can try this spell. This is a very powerful spell. One more thing, if you have decided this spell to work, then please bear in your mind that this spell is irreversible. No spiritual healer in this world, even my master, will not be able to cure that person if you have practiced this spell on your partner. Now my dear brothers and sisters, what you need 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms. These are the 2 things, and a 1 swallow hello lemon. Look dear brothers, it's a swallow one. There is no juice inside this lemon, no juice. We have already energized this lemon. If you want this lemon, you can call us or drop a message on our number. We can give you this lemon. It's a swallow one, it's a hello one. Hello means it's completely nothing inside is there, no juice, right? It's a special one, customized one. You will not be able to get it in the market. If you want it, you can get it from us. Once you have made the arrangement like this, on Wednesday, dark moon night, only on Wednesday, and has to be a dark moon, or even on Saturday. But again the condition is that dark moon has to be there. If the dark moon is not there, or it is not falling on Wednesday or Saturdays, then try to do it on Monday. First priority should be Wednesday, then Saturday, then Monday. These are the only 3 days which are permissible. This is most powerful, potent on Wednesdays only. Now my dear brothers and sisters, what you are going to do, you will be, once you have done it, you have made the arrangement, you will be chanting this spell. I hope you are able to see it. Kalyani means well-wishing. Bhava means the other person. Kurum means doing. Mam means me. Bhav means against. So any person who is wishing or well wishing against me should be harmed. Right? Any person. If you want to make it more powerful, instead of Bhava, you can write your target person's name. Right? Once you have done it, you will chant this spell 441 times at 2 a.m. in the night. Remember the timing, brothers. 2 a.m. in the night time this spell is going to work. Moreover, there should be a spirit around you, because this lemon is going to attract a spirit. So if you are able to see a spirit around you, don't be scared, don't be afraid, and do not leave this spell, this ritual in middle of the night. Because if you are going to do it like this, then this is going to backfire you. Once you have read it, this lemon will start burning. Flames from this lemon will start coming out. And before 4 a.m. you are going to burn these 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 things you are going to burn, except this clove, my dear brothers and sisters. This clove you are not going to burn. You have to throw this clove towards the house of your enemy next morning. Once you have done it, watch the movie in front of you. Watch the actions of your enemy in front of you. Your enemy will be completely disturbed, will be completely spoiled. He or she will not be able to do anything. Dear brothers and sisters, if you need any help or if you want any clarification regarding this video, then please don't forget to call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.